Hello. This is Drasin Slayer, and I'm back with a different sort of video. So in this video, we basically opened a bunch of 83 plus packs. We had 83x20 and I think around 9 of 83x10, which totals out to over like 183 plus players. It was an interesting pack opening. I was surprised by the number of walkouts. You might want to stick around and wait till the end to see how many walkouts I packed. I was a little bit surprised about the promo cards and like how rare they were, but anyways, I mean, it's EAFC, what do you expect, right? But stay tuned for more content and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. These were bangers, man. If easy, can I get one, at least one? Punto gun. There has to be someone else, right? Please don't tell me he's the only walkout. He's not doing the animation. Who's walking out? Well, I literally packed in the last pack. EA. There are over 1088 gold rares. How do you manage to give me the same one pack? Technically, we opened like 83x100, to be fair. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we did. This is 8, and we opened an 83x20. So that's an 83x100. 83x100. Let's go. Allison? I'll take the other guy as well. What's his name? Ederson. 88 still a big one, still a good one. Come on, someone else has to walk out. Fuck me. 83x100, lock in right now. Yeah, lock the fuck in. Motherfucker, man. Oh, the better one though. I thought that was Saka. Be fair. No way she's the only one, right? Let's go. 287s. But 2 walkouts. I'll take that. That's better than getting 88 and nothing else. 3 walkouts. Ooh, please don't pay 3. But 88, okay. Redemption, I think has been an 88. We'll count the number of walkouts for sure. I'll have like a count at the end of the video to probably make sure that 87. Okay, come on, yeah. You gotta go huge here, please. Mbappe, come on. Walk out right now. Okay, 88. Lots of 88s, huh? Lots of 88s. And a team of the week. Cheeky Recycle. Don't be mad. Come on, man. How are you giving me the same 88s here? There's 2 Brazilian goalkeepers. Yeah, team of the week. What's that? Wait, that is an 85. That's bad. Oh, thank fucking God. Please walk. Please, someone walk. You can't be the only one. Come on, man. Fuck off. Oh, 983s. Fuck. 3 more. Come on, man. Can I get 190 at least? 86. Fuck. Come on. Flip. Okay. Be a big one. Wait, still an 88 though, bro. I need 89s and 90s. Fuck. Oh my God, look at these. They're so bad. Yay. You gotta go above 88, man. Van Dijk. Oh, man. It's like I'm getting the worst one. 10 and 88, bro. I swear like I've gotten an 88 almost every other pack. Last one. Come on, EA. Oh, 85, 4. What's his? 84, right? 5? Man, 80. This is how we want to end this. This is how we want to end the video, EA. You're doing your own fucking game. You know that? No way I opened an 83 times 100 and the best I got is an 88. This game's wild. That's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.